Now we are almost finishing. Here, okay, when you mute, you can only listen to the one of the tracks, okay? Or here we listen to two, or we listen to all of them, okay? And in addition to the envelope tool, you can control the loudness too with this, okay? With this tool, okay? This is for the left and right size of the stereo track, and this is to, for example, reduce the sound of all the track. So if you move it 2 points to the left, then the sound is going to be lower. So perhaps we can listen to the
I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will they be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. I have a dream that one day even the state of Mississippi, a state sweltering with the heat of injustice,
and then the only thing you need to add to this is your credits at the end, okay? And of course you have to save it, save project, and export as mp3 if you are happy with it, okay? I am not very happy with the result because I have done in 10 minutes or 20 minutes, but I am not going to change anything, okay? Perhaps I would reduce this part or any other, or even have chosen another track, but okay. With this, I think you are ready to do the activity.